Greetings everyone, in today's video I will show you how to add news to your Wix website. Before we get started, please subscribe our YouTube channel. So first of all, open your Google Chrome and here simply log into your Wix website. And what you have to simply do is to click on the site button on the top right. Simply click on it and it will take about 5 to 10 seconds depending on your internet. So once it load up, you have to simply click on this plus icon on the left side. Click on it and what you have to do is to go for search button and search for news and hit enter. And now as you can see, there are two boxes like interpreted where you can find many more templates here. Like let's go for this ones. It's also work as a news, like all items are 70% off, so it's a news. So I hope this video will help you out. So this is the way how you can add news to your Wix website. Thanks for watching this video.